Look at the beautiful red, white, and blue with the palm trees and the blue sky background. That is a postcard picture. We have a start for this final race, race number 26, and I will mention I've got the time for race number 25, and we have a new fast time for the day from Not a Breath from that last race. Like the breeze was flowing, so that's a cruise. In this one, Vis-a-Vis is in lane 1 from Quebec City. In lane 2, you have Survivors abreast from Peterborough, Ontario. Waves of Hope from Brandon, Manitoba. You have the Great Canadian Survivors from the Niagara region. This is a composite of U.S.-Canadian paddlers from the southern Niagara region. They're the Great Canadian Survivors in lane 4. Survivors in Sync from Sarasota in 5. Bustin' Loose from Kelowna, BC in 6. The Red Cliff Pink Snapdragon in lane 7, they're from Australia, and Survivors Drivers from Cobourg, Ontario in lane 8. Lane 8. Another good team. Survivors Drivers out there in lane 8. Here they come. Lane 1, lane 2. Vis-a-Vis from Quebec City in 1. Survivors abreast Peterborough in 2. And in lane 8, the Survivors Drivers from Cobourg, Ontario. And they are in the lead. The drivers who won their race this morning are leading this race. Lane 8 from Cobourg, Ontario, Survivor Drivers. In lane 1 and lane 2. In lane 1, you have Vis-a-Vis. In lane 2, you have Survivors abreast from Peterborough. They're battling for second because this is all about lane 8 again. Survivor Drivers, Cobourg, Ontario. They have complete control of this final race of round 2, race 26. It will go unofficially to Survivor Drivers from Cobourg, Ontario. Second, Vis-a-Vis from Quebec City. Third, Survivors abreast Peterborough, Ontario. Fourth, lane 5, Survivors in Sync from Sarasota. And then lane 6, Bustin' Loose from Kelowna, BC. That is too close after that. Lane 4 was the Great Canadian Survivors from the South Niagara region. And lane 7, the Red Cliff Pink Snapdragon from Australia. Here are the final results for race number 25. The winner at a time of 2:29.16, Not a Breath. Second in 2:46.97, Journey to Strength, Edmonton. Third in 2:48.03, Avalon Dragon Ruby. Fourth in 2:48.73, Hope Afloat, USA. Fifth in 2:54.52, Sister Ship Calgary. Sixth in 2:58.61, Sunshine Dragons abreast. Seventh in 3 minutes 95, Paddlers for Life from the UK. And 8th in 3:01.95, Dragons abreast, Australia. Inspiration. So the winner of race number 25 in a new fast time of the day of 2:29.16, Not a Breath. We'll get you the results for the final race of round number 22. Now, a reminder to all of you, be safe getting to the buses. The buses are here for you to take you back to your hotels and where you're staying so that you can get ready. Good idea, Ellen. Also, I want to give one last thought to the video that was their Facebook page will have all the video they shot today about the race. It could be cool. Show your friends back home with the footage we shot here at Nathan Bender's. Lakewood Ranch is where the Parade of Nations is going to take place. And that's at 6:30. The buses are here to take you back safely. On your way, if you haven't done so already, a great way to support the IBCTC is to visit their tent. Just look for their banner and get your commemorative silver pendant. All proceeds from this limited edition pendant go to the International Breast Cancer Pathogens Commission. So make sure you get one. Today or tomorrow, make sure you get one. Also, the schedule for Sunday will be posted within about 30 minutes or so at mobiledragon.info. It will also be up on the festival website, up at the Sarasota Breast Cancer Survivor 2014 Festival homepage, the website there. Just look for important schedules and you'll find it there for rounds 3 and 4. And that'll be in about a half hour, 30 minutes. You'll know that schedule. mobiledragon.info.
All right, Alan, a wonderful full day of racing here at Nathan Benderson Park. We hope you enjoy yourself this afternoon, whatever you choose to do. The new mall is right there. The beach is not too far away. You've got downtown Sarasota. Of course, down